Welcome back to MotorMax, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic middleweight cruisers on the market, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. Known for its classic styling, smooth ride, and unbeatable reliability, the Shadow has long been a favorite among riders who want both comfort and style without breaking the bank. In this review, we'll explore what makes the 2025 model stand out, covering its design, performance, features, and overall value. Classic cruiser styling. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is its timeless cruiser aesthetic. Honda has kept the clean, retro lines that riders have loved for decades, but refined a few details to keep it modern. With deep fenders, a low-slung profile, and plenty of chrome accents, the Shadow continues to turn heads. For 2025, Honda is offering new color schemes, including a sleek matte black finish and a metallic red option that gives the bike a bold but elegant presence on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Shadow is its tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant delivers smooth, predictable torque that's perfect for both city cruising and long highway rides. It isn't built for aggressive speed, but rather for steady, reliable power that makes the ride effortless. Honda has fine-tuned the fuel injection system for 2025, improving throttle response and fuel efficiency. Combined with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, the Shadow continues to offer a low-maintenance, user-friendly experience that appeals to riders of all skill levels. Comfort and ride quality. The Shadow has always been praised for its comfortable ergonomics, and the 2025 model stays true to that reputation. With a low seat height of just under 26 inches, it's approachable for shorter riders, while still offering plenty of room for taller ones. The wide handlebars and forward foot pegs create a relaxed riding posture that makes long journeys more enjoyable. Suspension remains traditional, with a telescopic front fork and dual rear shocks, tuned to soak up bumps and keep the ride smooth. Technology and features. While the Shadow is rooted in tradition, Honda has made small but meaningful updates for 2025. The instrument cluster now features a cleaner digital-analog combination, giving riders essential information at a glance without overwhelming them. ABS remains an available option, improving safety without sacrificing the bike's old-school appeal. And thanks to Honda's focus on refinement, the Shadow remains one of the most reliable cruisers on the road, requiring minimal maintenance compared to many of its competitors. Price and value. One of the Shadow's biggest strengths has always been its value, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. Priced competitively in the mid-range cruiser market, it offers an excellent balance of quality, performance, and affordability. For riders who want the cruiser lifestyle without the heavyweight size or premium price tag, the Shadow 750 is hard to beat. It's also a great stepping stone for new riders who want a dependable bike that they won't outgrow too quickly. Final thoughts. The spirit of the cruiser lives on the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about perfecting a proven formula. It blends classic looks, a smooth and dependable engine, and everyday comfort into one of the most approachable cruisers available today. Whether you're just getting into riding or you're a seasoned cruiser fan who appreciates simplicity and style, the Shadow remains a motorcycle worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to MotorMax. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content